देख मैं तो पहन रहा हूँ ये मेरे बैग तो वाटरप्रूफ है नहीं because I have one friend who has a sleeper
and shorts.
and in shorts as well.
And he straight away went to the club in this outfit.
Hey guys, welcome. This is your Kaneki. It's a new vlog and we are starting this vlog from Pokhara. Yep, you heard it right. I'm in Pokhara and you know it was so long journey for me to reach here in Pokhara. And the reason why I'm here because I'm about to do the trekking. It's a ABC Annapurna Base Camp track. So I'm going to do that track from tomorrow onwards. And how I have reached here, it was so struggling. Like I have took the train from Delhi to Kanpur, then Kanpur to Gorakhpur, then Gorakhpur to take the bus that took me around 9 hours to 3 hours first to reach Nepal. Then from Nepal to the bus take 8 hours to reach Pokhara, and still we are walking. Why? Because we haven't found our hotel yet, and it's 6 p.m. in the evening. So see you directly at the hotel. Hey guys, so what is up again? Finally we have got the room and hotel name is Hotel Whitefish. I think you can see that over there. I cannot zoom it. So the thing, tomorrow we have a hike. It's Annapurna Base Camp. It's almost 5 days or 6 nights, I think. 5 days or 6 nights. And from tomorrow we have to depart from here. And you know the price for this hotel, it is 1200 MPR for 2 person. So I think it's not that much expensive. And in addition, the room is so cozy. Like okay, not that bad. Here I am. Yo, so finally we are out in this famous Pokhara market, and you know, actually we are looking for 2 things right now. We are looking for something to eat first, and maybe we can buy or rent some gears for our tomorrow track. But the first and the very basic mission we have for today is to have some food.
We need to buy some gear, guys. We need to buy some gear, trekking gear. And
Gears come second, yeah. First we have to have some food that is gonna give us energy, right guys? So let's see. And anyways, you are going to see the Pokhara night club because we are planning to go a club. That is a famous club. It's a night walk club, I think, or cat walk club that is free of cost. So maybe we can go there in the night. But as of now, we are only going to enjoy this view. Okay, so here we are back again. Actually, we were out there checking our gear stick and some Polaroid glasses. I think that's the name of those ones. So see, right now our main mission is to have some food. Okay? Then we can think. Guys, finally we are having our fish. It's so tasty. The thing that we have ordered is what is that food?
Cheddar bacon.
Butter chicken and few rotis that has gone already. So we'll see you after this dinner. ये हमारे पास
अरे नोट कहाँ गया?
Here we are having it's a sweet, we could say sweet. और उसने एक आम मिस कर दिया. You know, while walking out in the streets, we have found some amazing shops Like these are the Chinese shop, but let me show you. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that shop, guys? Isn't it amazing? You know, I'm coming back to my hostel. You know the reason why? Because I have one friend who has a sleeper
And shorts.
and in shorts as well.
And he straight away went to the club in this outfit.
And although the rumors were right, the club's entry is free. We can enter into the club and do enjoy the club party over there. But for that, we have to at least wear a proper dress, right? Not like this. And just because him, I have to go back again, yaar. Yo guys, welcome. This is the day 2, or I think it's the day 3 of our Annapurna base camp vlog, right? So we are right now in Pokhara and heading towards to get our ABC pass. That is Annapurna base camp that we are going to get from the Nepal tourism board that is situated in Pokhara. So right now we are heading towards it, and the time right now it is around 9 or 9:30 or 10 o'clock. So we will see you directly over there, and after that we have to do some shopping as well. Like we have to purchase gloves and a pool stick for the trekking stuff.
Right.
Finally, we have reached Nepal tourism boat. It's a Vindagi province offering Pokhara entry permit counter and the blah 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 stuff. So we are gonna do that permit. Okay, and plus this is a map we are gonna follow. Like from where? Are we from Kathmandu Pokhara, Gandruk. Yeah, na Gandruk. We are gonna start from there, Gandruk. Then Gandruk, Tarapai, Chomrong, Bamboo, Himalaya, Daroli, MBC, then Annapurna base camp. So we're gonna lodge. Okay, so finally we have got our permit. It's Annapurna base camp permit along with the map. And now with this we are ready to explore Annapurna base camp. So follow me, guys. Guys, can you see that mountain over there? It's hard. Yeah, you cannot. But you know, my eyes can see those mountains full with the snow. People are playing chess over there. So finally we are out from the hotel, checked out complete, and we are going to buy some gears. Then we can go for the Annapurna base camp. Going to the market down there, so we can buy some gears for our track. Then we can proceed further.
Either of the one, but I'll purchase it.
ओए मैंने ये ले लिया, खत्म कहानी नहीं. So finally, after purchasing all the gears, we have took the bus, and we just have take the stop to have some lunch, you could say. And you know, that's my goggles. I have changed that goggles. Previously, I have shown you. I don't know how I'm looking in this goggle, but photogenic, right? Guys, what I was saying, that it started raining so heavily. Look. I don't know whether you can see that or not. I think we have to extend our day.
जल्दी करो जल्दी करो अरे ये तो हाथ में लेके आ जाएंगे बस में गाड़ी स्टार्ट करो हाथ में ले रहा है हाँ जल्दी जल्दी खाइए 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 आओ
Guys, there's a news. I don't know like which bus and which route we have taken so far, but this bus is moving like a roller coaster. Bhai, like we cannot sit still for even a second. Just keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep jumping. And the route that he's taken so far, it is not on the map. So wish us best of luck. Finally guys, we have reached the Gandruk, one of the famous village, to start the trek for Annapurna base camp. And let me show you the view of this Gandruk village. It is so awesome. And like I don't know about the height and how much upper level or up we have come so far, but you can see the clouds over there and everywhere. As far as you can see, only clouds, mountains. Although the weather is not good, so we cannot see the mountains that covered in snow, but I will try my best. Right partner?
Yes guys.
So before we go head out and start looking for the hotel, we plan to first search online whether we can find a hotel and good price or not. Then we can start look for the offline hotels. So here's the update. We haven't go anywhere because as we have planned, but the weather is unexpected here, and as soon as we step out from the bus, the rain has started, and look, it's a heavy rainfall going on with a thunderstorm. So we had to take this shelter, and we are waiting for this rain to slow down so we can go and get some hotel. Unexpected weather, guys, in ABC, right?
Guys, we planned something different, but weather had different plans.
So finally we have decided to move out as rain slow down. And this is the track, not track exactly. The rain is coming, and as far as we don't have to book any hotels yet. We are going and looking for the hotel. Have to be careful here because of this little waterfall. It's coming down here. Welcome to Dungeni Gaon, Gandruk. मेरे बैग तो waterproof है नहीं. ये लाड़ है. So I have to wear this. I was wrong here. The rain has started again, and we have to cover ourselves with this poncho. You know, the weather is so harsh, even in Gandruk as well. I don't know about the upper parts, what is happening up there. My shoes are all wet, my socks. Oh. And this is the weather. Everything is covered in mist. Unfortunately, guys, we are still looking for this hostel and we haven't found any. We are, you know, guys, if you are coming in restaurant, भाई वो कौन सा है? This is the second homestay that we have found. Let's try this one as well. The look. This is the room that we have got and 1000 NPR for 2 people. That means 500 for each one. And by the budget, it is not that much, that goes out not bad. Just stay okay. Right.
बहुत बढ़िया भाई, बहुत बढ़िया.
Alright guys, so let us settle first, then we will see you. I mean, I cannot believe it's still yet that this house is made of this mud, only mud. And height, look, I am almost 5'5", and that's it. You can see, that's it. And